Mnangagwa fires disgraced Obadiah Moyo. Emmerson Mnangagwa has fired disgraced Health Minister Obadiah Moyo for conduct inappropriate for a cabinet minister. Moyo becomes the second government minister to be unceremoniously booted out from office after Information Deputy Minister Energy Mutodi recently announcing his ouster. Chief Secretary in the Office of the President Michik Sabanda said Moyo had been relieved of his duties for conduct inappropriate for a government minister. Please be advised that His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Mnangagwa, has in terms of Section 340, subsection 1, paragraph F as read with Section 104, subsection 1 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe has removed Dr. Obadiah Moyo from the office of the Cabinet Minister with immediate effect for conduct inappropriate for a government minister. Quote, part of Moyo's dismissal letter dated July 7 read, Moyo is currently on $50,000 bails over criminal abuse of office after he was accused of single-handedly forcing the government to enter into a $60 million contract with Drax International for the provision of medical supplies to the country without going to tender. Drax International representative in the country, Xolani Gwala, who has been in remand prison for over 3 weeks, was granted $50,000 bails yesterday, with the High Court blaming government officials for the transaction that potentially prejudiced the country of millions of United States dollars. Moyo was fired at a time the country is experiencing a surge in the number of COVID-19 local transmission cases. As of Monday night, the country had 734 cases, with 113 of them being local transmissions, where 88 have been linked to known cases, while 25 could not immediately be linked.